I want to keep working on this thing today, but I'm not going through that again. So we're gonna try and make ourselves a little like garage creeper thingy so that we can keep ourselves off from that wet ground. So I've been slowly collecting a bunch of scrap stuff that I found on the side of the road. Some various planks of wood there. You'd screw this in here. That way you're not losing this depth on the thing, and then you put your wheels on the underside of these. Trust the process. I don't trust the process, but if the video's posted, it's probably worked. Don't know what we're doing wheels yet. And then, there's just some random foam. Obviously you don't need this, but this might make it a bit more comfortable. So if my ass hangs off the edge there, oh, it's like an inch too short. That's every man's problem. I found a few sets of wheels. I found these in the shed, but these are too big and going to be kind of too annoying to try and figure out how to mount them. I went for a little walk around the block because we've got council pickup coming up soon. Managed to find a chair, like a office chair thing. Found a bunch of these wheels, and it keeps this thing really, really nice. Yeah, that keeps it really nice and low profile as well. So I've got 6 of them, so 3 for the front, 3 for the back. Now you could do this without doing like these crossbeam things, but I'm more doing it so that I can get just that little bit lower to the ground, so the wheels aren't mounted underneath here. They come up the depth of the wood at least, so you sit that little bit lower, just because I can't really get the car up that high. That one launched. Let's give ourselves a fresh edge on this thing. Yeah, it's clean enough. I reckon we'll give ourselves about, we're gonna make sure we got enough clearance for the wheel to spin. That's 10 centimeters off from the board. That made a mess. I do it outside, but I think to do this middle wheel, because obviously these will be mounted on here and I can't mount it to this, we'll somewhere drill a hole in the center, cut out that hole big enough so it's got room for the wheel to like articulate, and that way we can have that center bit supported as well. Like 10.3 and like 10.2-ish. That's fine. 45, what's half of 45? 22 and a half. So we're gonna put our center point I have no idea if this is gonna work, but we're gonna find out. Man, this is some thick wood. My drill piece isn't like deep enough on that bit to like make it all the way through. New toy. Oh, let's not get earphones jammed up in this one. good. So I might drill one of those holes actually on the other side once I get the length there sorted out. Because that is a nice little guide to carve that out from. That looks very, very good. If there's anyone with a Zito, can I please have some batteries? I'm sick of changing between the one battery all the time. And that there, oh, beautiful. That's gonna look good. Yeah, that should be long enough. Because I want to put a piece like up on the head bit, so we're not like putting our head directly on wood. I probably shouldn't be using hot glue, but that's the fastest setting glue that I have, and I just want to get it done, and it's not going to be used in the heat really anyway, so that's fine. Come on. I just need a little bit more out of you. Come on. Oh, that's all I need. Kind of feel like I might just use some PVA glue, because I'm going to go through so many of these glue sticks to get that thing glued down. The only downside is this needs longer to set, so we're going to have to place it and give it a while. So my mum does a lot of sewing and works with a lot of fabric stuff. She's got a bunch of this stuff which looks like it's fresh out of a pimp studio. But we're gonna try some of this on here and see what it looks like. I gotta push the end of this down in the gap there. We've probably got a little too much going on. Obviously, I would have preferred some black, but when working on a budget, you don't always get the things that you want. Oh, that looks ridiculous. Alrighty, now we just gotta figure out how we're gonna do these wheels. That ain't gonna be big enough. Ooh, ooh, that's looking pretty good. I don't mind that. Yeah, go on. I mean, the wheels are average, but it goes backwards and forwards. That's yeah, right. The side to side movement kind of sucks, but that'll be sweet. Look, it is a bit more snug underneath the car, but we're not laying on the ground. We've got a little container there. Oh, that works a charm. Oh, look, it does take away a lot of your headroom, but certainly more pleasant than having to lie on that.